back to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here. And if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So y'all, today I will be doing a review on the D2 Lit Match hoodie from Los Angeles Archive. Now, before we even get into that, all right, before we even get to that point, I want to give you guys just a couple of facts about this hoodie, because I'm sure there are a lot of you that do not know the history behind this hoodie. This hoodie was a part of Kanye West's larger Donda merchandise collection, which includes pieces that symbolize his personal life as well as his artistic work. Now, this D2 Lit Match hoodie was engineered and designed by Balenciaga. It comes exclusively in black, aligning with the somber and theme of the Donda 2 album. This hoodie is advertised as relaxed fit, which is typical for Kanye West's streetwear aesthetic. It features a minimalistic design of a lit match on the front, along with the number 2 on the back, symbolizing the release of the Donda 2 album. This hoodie was a part of a limited edition merchandise inventory celebrating the Donda 2 album release, and it was often resold on different platforms such as eBay and Depop at a very much so higher price than what you would have bought it for at the actual album release or at an actual Kanye West event. Since then, we have had a plethora of so many third-party brands reselling Kanye West pieces along with Kanye West shoes. And of those brands, there is one in particular that I personally have shopped with and have continued to shop with, and that is Los Angeles Archives. They have been dropping pieces here and there of an inventory that came out 2 years ago. Just as we have found differences within the Dove hoodie that was recently released by Los Angeles Archive, there is the possibility of a slight difference with any other piece that Los Angeles Archive may release now and in the near future. I've done some research, and it just seems like the hoodie that was released 2 years ago, the D2 Lit Match hoodie, is a little bit similar to the Dove hoodie, okay? Just by weight, look, feel. Now, I'm not sure if this specific hoodie that I'm about to do this review on is going to be the same, but we're going to see if Los Angeles Archive version of the D2 Lit Match hoodie lives up to the one that was released 2 years ago. With that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So today is September 9th, guys, and my order came in yesterday. Yesterday it got delivered. Probably have that over there somewhere. So I ordered this hoodie on September 29th, and as I stated, it got here yesterday, which is October 8th. So we're gonna get into what this hoodie is looking like, all right? So first things first, it came in this clear packaging. Now, I do not have any of the clear packaging that my other Los Angeles Archive hoodie. Now, I do not have the clear packaging that my other Los Angeles Archive pieces came in, but I do remember that the lettering was a bit smaller than what it is on here. And as you can tell, the lettering and the wording is a bit bigger. So that's one off thing that I noticed that is different from the packaging. It does have that M, which I don't know if y'all can see that, for medium, written on the plastic bag. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we are working with, y'all. So now this hoodie is advertised as being heavyweight, and just by the feel of it, it does not feel heavyweight. This is a light hoodie, y'all. This is very light. We're gonna see though. We're gonna get into how this hoodie looks on me, but for the most part, I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like. So it has that lit match there. This is in the black colorway, as you can see. And then you turn this bad boy around, and it does have that number 2 on the back, symbolizing that Donda 2 album release when this hoodie originally first came out. Now, some takes from this hoodie just by me looking at it and just by me feeling it. Oh, and it doesn't even have a size tag in there. Most of the Los Angeles Archive Yeezy pieces that I've ordered have the actual size on the inside, and this one does not, y'all. But just a take from this hoodie just off the mere fact of me just looking at it and feeling it, it feels different. I mean, I'm not big on the difference between different types of textures and different types of materials, but it feels like cotton. But for the most part, it just feels different. I can't put my finger on it. If you are familiar with Gildan, Gildan is a brand that sells different types of hoodies that you can use for your clothing brand, just as the same as Fruit of the Loom. I, for one, used to have a clothing brand, and I've ordered different types of inventories of Gildan hoodies and Fruit of the Loom hoodies to put my brand on. And in case you guys didn't know, Gildan is the type of brand of hoodie that Kanye West used when he first came out with his first set of merch. And this is kind of giving Gildan. I don't know though, I could be wrong. But for the most part, it you know, it looks cool. It looks cool. The hoodie is cropped and it does have, all right, hold on now. Oh wow, look like it's kind of stuck together. What is that about? Wow. I don't know, y'all. This is different. This seems like something they just made in the back and just put out to sell. This doesn't seem like the same type of hoodie that was sold 2 years ago, which I'm sure there are going to be differences, as I stated in the beginning of the video. And no, I'm not trying to say the hoodie is fake, because like I said, with production, the different types of ways that they do make these pieces, I'm sure there are going to be a massive amount of differences. But what I can tell you, it is not the same as the one that was released 2 years ago. If you go on YouTube, and which you guys are already on YouTube, just click on D2 Lit Match Hoodie. Just click on D2 Lit Match Hoodie and look up some of the individuals that bought this hoodie 2 years ago. And let me know what you think based off the one that Los Angeles Archive is selling, all right? But this is the hoodie, y'all. No huge signifier with the actual hood, just seems like a regular hood. And of course, I already showed y'all the back, but I'm gonna show y'all again. And that's the back. Now this is very much so wide, but we gotta see what it looked like on me. So let's get into it. So this is the hoodie, y'all. This is a medium. I'm gonna just show y'all this hoodie along with the Dove hoodie side by side. 2 different times of when both of these hoodies was released, all right? You got over here the Dove hoodie, which is pretty heavy. Like, I mean, heavy as hell. And then you got this bad boy, the D2 Lit Match hoodie, which is super light. Very light on my hand, all right? I feel like I'm about to reach muscle failure by holding this one. I'm gonna put this one back on the rack. Now, as the Dove hoodie, that one is double layered. So I can see why that hoodie is extremely heavy and why it's a heavyweight hoodie. This hoodie is not double layered. This is a single layered hoodie, very simple, and it just has that logo on the front and the back. So I understand why it's lightweight. Now let's put it on. All right, so this is what it looks like, ladies and gents. This is a size medium. So now this hoodie is advertised as 100% cotton, which makes it very much so durable for fall and winter season weather. I will say that the hoodie is very much so comfortable. It does feel, you know, very well put together. Now, as I stated previously, it doesn't look like the one from 2 years ago, but this one is nice as well. It is cropped. Because I'm such a little person, you can't really tell, but amongst the other pieces that I have bought from different third-party companies that were selling Yeezy pieces, they were extremely big and they were extremely heavy. This one is light, like extremely light. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but it's very light, y'all. I'll go ahead and give y'all a close-up. And I don't know if y'all remember in the beginning, but the pockets was kind of stuck together a little bit. Like maybe some of the spray paint had got on the pocket area and was kind of like, you know, flush to the surface of the material, but nothing that a little pull away couldn't fix. Yeah, so this is the back. And because I love y'all and I care about y'all so much, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some shoes with this. Which shoes though? So I went on ahead and threw on those Yeezy 700 V3 Safflowers. it seemed right, seemed about right, something right to do, something nice to do, something slight to do. But this is the hoodie with a pair of Yeezy sneakers. I can't tell y'all where I got these pants from. Might have been Marshalls or something, but these are some athletic, sweat resistant pants that I have on. For the most part, the hoodie is comfortable. I mean, I don't have any complaints as far as how it feels and how it looks on me. Like I said, this is a medium, and usually a medium and a lot of the Yeezy pieces that I've ordered in the past was extremely big, but as you can see, this fits me pretty well. And the graphic on the front is pretty nice, as well as the graphic on the back, which goes along with what was originally released about 2 years ago, guys. All right, now as far as the quality and as far as the originality of this hoodie, I'm still kind of conflicted because I'm not sure if it's exactly the same piece that was released 2 years ago, but the look is good. It looks good. But just so y'all can see this one more time before we get into the rest of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick little 360. But yeah, so this is the hoodie, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all have purchased the same item from Los Angeles Archives. Let me know if you kind of feel or notice the same thing. As I stated earlier, go ahead. Ooh, I hope my camera wasn't crooked all this time. Ooh, I hope it wasn't crooked. I'm sorry, y'all, if it seemed a little bit crooked. I don't know, I just noticed and I just fixed it. But anywho, as I stated earlier in the video, go on YouTube, y'all, and look up the D2 Lit Match hoodie from people that posted about it and reviewed it from 2 years ago. And you'll see what I'm talking about as far as the quality and the differences in what they have released on Los Angeles Archives. Now, once again, I want to put emphasis on this. I'm not saying this hoodie is fake. It's just different from what I saw, from what I have seen that other people bought 2 years ago with the same exact hoodie. Now, with that being said, let's get back to the rest of the video. So y'all, that was the review on this video. Now, I will say that when the hoodie first came out 2 years ago, it was something that was only being advertised and only being bought at the Kanye West Donda 2 album release as merchandise. But of course, as we have today, there are third-party companies that was releasing it and buying it as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Kanye West was actually selling it on his website, which was shopkanyewest.com, which I don't think that website is even active anymore. I think the only website that he has now that he is or was selling stuff on is the Yeezy.com website. But needless to say, you can get this hoodie from Los Angeles Archives. I believe GOAT might have it, StockX might have it. I'm not sure what price they were selling it at. I know back then, 2 years ago, the hoodie was going at about $200. They were selling that bad boy for $200. I think I seen it for like $500 too, just based off of what people were talking about on YouTube from 2 years ago. So it was a bit more pricier, and I kind of could see why there was more quality with the one that was being sold 2 years ago. All right, now this one I bought for $70 off the Los Angeles Archive, and honestly, I have been trying to kind of like just step away from the Yeezy stuff because it is so overrated. Don't get me wrong, I love Yeezy and I love his merchandise. I love his pieces, I love his shoes, his boots, but not all of them. Not all of them, all right? Because I'm not one of those type of people who's just gonna buy every single Yeezy piece that gets released, because I don't like all of it. All of it ain't popping and all of it ain't fire to me. You understand what I'm saying? But every now and again, I may see something, I'm like, you know what, I like that, I'm gonna cop that, okay? So I figure since I copped this one, I'll go ahead and do a review for you guys, let you know what I noticed, let you know what research I've done, and just let you know a little bit of history about it, because everybody is so big on Yeezy and, you know, buying it, but they don't really know what the meaning is behind it, okay? I did purchase a pair of the Yeezy pod shoes from off of Los Angeles Archive, which I am going to do a review on that, but I kind of want to do like a little phase of me like actually wearing them and then filming it too. That way I can give you guys a better review on them, because if I just gave you a review on just the shoe without really wearing them like that or giving you like just a full spec of it, it won't really mean that much, if that makes sense. But I also did some research on those too and the differences, and it definitely is some differences with the Yeezy pods that was released originally off of the Yeezy website versus the one that was released on Los Angeles Archive. So just something to think about when you are tapping into these different releases. Just do your research to see what it is and what it ain't. All right, so with that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
Ay, one time like, two time like, ay, me pop money. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any full pack of top papers, about to put some P's in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a fuck about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talk it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Look, all my niggas fresh up out the